They betrayed you. They broke your trust. Your partner is someone that is supposed to love and protect you, and they did the very worst thing they could have done. But I want you to know that this has nothing to do with you. This has everything to do with them. Okay, they'll probably make excuses. They'll come out with a reason as to why they left or why they did what they did, and they'll probably try and blame you. But just know it's not you. Someone that is healthy, someone that is mature, self-aware, self-loving, respectful, would leave a partner politely. They would not cheat. And I know right now you're questioning whether the relationship was real, whether anything they'd ever said to you was genuine, whether they actually cared about you, whether they valued you as a person. I really, really stress this when I say it. Please do not bury your head in the sand. Please don't try to avoid the feelings. Don't try to find someone else to fill that gap. Please, please, please feel the emotions that come your way. I know they suck. I know it's like every day is the same. You wake up, it's the first thing that's on your mind. You try to go to sleep. You probably can't even sleep at night at the moment. But there's a lot of light that I can give you right now. And I can tell you from experience that it does get better. With time, with patience, with understanding, with that self-love and giving yourself grace, you will eventually heal. I know right now it doesn't feel like it. I know right now you're probably questioning everything. All you see is that darkness at the end of the tunnel. You don't see the light. You don't see how this can get better. Unfortunately, not everyone has the maturity that you have. Not everyone's going to share the same vision. Not everyone will understand you. But just know that you are not the problem. You were never the problem. They were the problem. They've got unhealed trauma. They've got patterns that they need to work on. There's things going on in their head that you may never understand. And you were never meant to. It's for them to deal with. And if they escape, they try to run away and find the next best thing, that's on them. They'll never be happy. They'll never settle down because nothing will ever be enough. And you know what? I've always said this, but if they could go away that easy, you don't want to be with someone like that anyway. If someone else could steal your person, they were never your person to begin with. One thing I can say from experience is try not to let this wreck your view of love, because there is 100% someone out there that will give you exactly what you're looking for. There's 100% someone out there that is going to give you the love that you deserve. And it won't be them because, well, they can do what they want. They can go and run away and chase the novelty, the freedom, the high, whatever it is they're looking for, that's on them. Don't worry about them anymore. One day you'll look back on this and you'll realize why everything had to happen, because you're going to be 10 times better than the person that you were when you met them. And I can tell you that from experience. Heartbreak, it does something to you. It makes you better. It molds you into a stronger version of who you thought you were. Don't let them get into your head making you think that you're not enough, because that was never the case. The grass is greener where you water it. Again, if they want to go off and they want to run away and chase whatever it is that's come their way, so be it. Let them get on with it. You don't need that. You deserve better. And the truth is, I think subconsciously, the people that cheat on you know they don't deserve you. Why else would they leave? If they thought they were deserving of you, they would stay. If they were lacking in a relationship and they were emotionally mature, they would walk away with love. They would be polite about it.